Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, I'm here in front of you today to show you some tips and tricks that can be easily done at home. And friends, if you like my contents and vlogs, please do press the like button, and if you have not subscribed till now, please go and subscribe my channel right now and do press the bell icon so that you'll get notified when my new vlog gets uploaded. Let's not waste time guys, let's go directly to the video. So friends, I hope that everybody loved my vlog today. So we'll be coming up with something out of the box and with new ideas and new concepts. So stay tuned on my channel, and this is your foodie traveler signing off for today.